Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with the fish cutlets. So I have taken around 8 mackerels. So I removed the inside of mackerels, like the intestine, and then I boiled it with a pinch of turmeric powder and 1 sliced onion, and I just boiled it for around 10 minutes till the fish is cooked, and then I deboned every meat out of it, and whatever thorns or anything is there inside I tried to remove the maximum. So this is how it is, the meat. And we need other ingredients like ginger garlic paste, and I have taken 1 small chopped tomato. I have taken 2 chopped onion. Then I have taken few coriander leaves and few mint leaves, 2 eggs because they are like around 8 mackerels, 2 green chilies finely chopped, and I'm adding this carrot, but that is optional. You can just do with this without adding the carrot, because I want to give little bit of more vitamin with carrot also. And lime juice I'll be adding. And this is, I have taken idli rava. You can take normal semolina to coated, or you can take breadcrumbs, up to you, or you can fry it without any of this. Okay, so let's start. And what dry masala I'll be adding, please note down. So first thing, we will take our eggs. So to add, we will add some lime juice to this, like around 1 teaspoon of lime juice, that is more than enough. And we will add some salt to taste to this, and then we will add our dry spices to this egg, like around half teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and a pinch of garam masala powder. So this is all what I am adding to this. Okay, and now we will give a mix this nicely before adding everything. We'll add a little bit of cooking oil to this also, around 1 teaspoon of that, and now you mix this. Now you add all this into this. And add our ginger garlic paste, around 1 teaspoon is more than enough, and give a mix to this. Mix this nicely. And now we will add our deboned boiled fish. So fish, I have taken mackerels, and you can take any types of fish, whichever is available in the market. Now mix this all nicely. Very simple recipe this is, and very tasty also. You can say it as a fish burger, fish cutlets, fish patties, you can say, if you put it in this same thing you can just add it into your pastry. Lots of things you can make out of this. So now we have to make small cutlet out of this. So just take this like this. Size is upon you, okay, totally upon you. So like this, and just roll this like this round and flatten up like this. Coat this in this rava. I've taken this idli rava because it's a nice little bit fatter side. So I will show you another one and then I will show you how to fry that. So take this. So now we'll make another shape of, first make like this, like a croquette. You know that fish croquette you get in the market. So like this, you can give this shape also and roll this again. Roll this again or coat it in the semolina. Keep it aside. And one shape you can do which everybody likes, heart shape. So like this, like this, and this is the heart shape. And then again coat it in this. And now we will fry this in a normal oil, like not deep fry but shallow fry. So let's keep this oil for making it hot. So I have flip-flopped it and I'm waiting for the other side. So here it is. Once it is done, that means it is done. Very slowly, like especially that heart shape and all, you have to be very careful, okay? So you can have it with, you can say this is fish burger, fish cutlet, and enjoy it with bread, burger bread, round bread, or with dal rice, whatever you want. And fish, you can use any boneless fish which there is no thorns and all. So you can use any fish whichever is available. Boil it with some spices, like I used onion and a little bit of ginger garlic paste and turmeric powder. But you can add other spices, whichever you want. Okay? So thank you so much. So I'm going to relish this nicely and hope you all will relish this, and do let me know how it was. Thank you so much. So now here is my fish cutlet, fish burger patties is ready, and I am now going to put this in this bread, and this is my filling for my burger: tomatoes, onion, some salad leaves, some green bells, that is capsicum, homemade mayonnaise, that is veg mayonnaise, eggless. Then I'm going to take cheese, some tomato sauce. So this is all what I am going to use for my burger filling. You can use according to how you want. Before this, I am going to just warm up my breads, both the side, and then I will do that. So here are the breads which I just want to slide, warm it up before I could serve. It tastes better when you do this way. And I didn't put any oil or anything. Just want to make it hot. Okay. So here is my homemade mayo, veg mayo. Now I will add this on this. So I will slice my bread. So this is like 2 halves. Now we'll add this mayo on this. Then I'll put this salad leaf on this. I have washed this salad leaf. Okay. Then we'll put some onion. You can put white onion also, and this onion also, other onion also, tomato. Then this one, and a slice of our normal onion. Okay, and we will apply here also. And now we can put our cheese on this way, and I will put this heart shape on this. This is our dinner today. Then I will put little bit of tomato sauce. And another salad leaf. And this will go on this top. So this is my burger ready to eat. Okay, so you can layer it how you want. So this is what I prefer. You can do up and down, whichever way, and enjoy this burger. If you want to make it hot again, you can make it hot again. And I'm going to enjoy this. I hope you all will also enjoy this burger. Okay. Thank you so much for watching me. God bless you all.